everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back, Sweetness here, and I'm just so happy to do another video for you guys. In this video, I've been having a lot of comments down below in this video requesting different styles of the box braids that I have shown you guys. So, number 12, this style is what I'm going to be showing you guys. So, stay tuned. So yes guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do this style. Now, what you're going to need for this style is not a large hair tie or pantyhose, just a little hair tie. It's very simple. It looks like it's very extravagant and hard, but it's not. So what you're going to do is get the top half, right? You're gonna start off with the top. Okay? So when you start off with the top, you're gonna do like a little horseshoe kind of thing. Okay? So you can do about that much. Okay? So once you grab that, you're gonna grab it in half and you're gonna tie a knot. That's all that was all about. So you're going to grab it, make sure you have the even amount. Put it down the center. Put your hands in the middle. Grab the hair. And then you're going to pull. Make sure. Yeah. And that's the first step. Just to get the knot. Okay? Once you have the dots, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna do the same thing, knots all the way down, 3 layers. So you're gonna basically grab it from the sides going up like that, okay? So you're gonna get this piece and you're gonna get some coming from this way. And you're gonna do the same thing on this side. Grab some coming from that side. And you're going to do the same thing. You're gonna tie a knot in the back. So grab it here. And you're gonna tie the knot. So that's the second knot, okay? And what you're going to do, you're gonna do the same thing again. So I have now 2 knots. So I'm gonna grab again the corners from the back and do the same thing, tying another knot, okay? You guys gotta make sure you feel, because I know you can't see the back of your head, but it's a bit tricky. It's simple but tricky, so make sure you guys get all the braids in, okay? Alright. 3 knots. 3 knots! I finally got it. Okay. Once you do that, you got the 3 knots going. The last bit, I put it in a ponytail just like so. So now you're looking fabulous and ready to go out the door. So you get your hair tie. tie. Well, you get your hair tie and you wrap it around once or 2 times. Mine's going only once right now. So, because in that video that you've seen, my braids were much more smaller, but now it's larger, so I'm gonna have to use the pantyhose leg instead. So you could have it in either a bun, or you could have it in a nice braid hanging down long, or you could just have it open. So right now I can't use my head tie, so I'm gonna use the stocking foot. I'm gonna wrap that around. And I'm gonna tie the knots underneath it, just like so. And you can tuck that underneath, just like that. There's my hairstyle. Do you guys like it? What do you guys think? Do you think you could get this hairstyle? I know you can. So, if you like this hairstyle tutorial, make sure you like this video, thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think. And if you have any suggestions, once again, let me know, let your girl know. And I'll get back to you, my sweetie pies. You know what it is. So like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications because I'll be posting. Because I know you guys love this style, and that's why you guys requested it. Knot up, knot up, knot up, babies. Let's get it.